That is fairly detailed car there, guys.
God, I wish I could do whatnot unboxings with TJ all the time. They're so much more exciting.
Quality.
I'm tempted
lacks,
to open this. And
all this lacks
where's
is some tires. That's it. I put it right here, sir.
Bro, it's the same car. It's not the same yellow.
But this requires some rubber tires. 2-piece.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Got a whatnot unboxing here. Got two boxes here. One's from 401 Diecast, and the other was like one car from Diecast Dad. Apologize, the sun is in my eyes. But in this video, I got a little special surprise. I got someone here with me that you might know. I'm not sure if you know him or not, but it's TJ. Alright, so go ahead, TJ. I'll let you do the opening. This one is from Diecast Dad. I guess we'll start with that one.
Alright. Wow. Alright.
Oh, there's two.
Start it off. There's two.
They're going to be dumb because everything's always
just make sure that
totally overpriced on Diecast. I love you, Diecast Dad, but man,
you go over.
You go over. And so I only buy the stupid stuff because no one else bids on it. That's the only stuff I can get for a non-overinflated price.
Diecast Dad goes hard. Alright, Diecast Dad. First up we have the 2000 First Editions Lotus Elise.
That one's cool.
This is like in a kind of Zemek-esque kind of thing going on here. And we like Lotus, so that's a neat little ride there.
Yeah, that is pretty cool.
It almost looks like a go-kart.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, and up next
that
we
was
have...
cool. Alright, so we did get two cool cars.
We have an art car, a cool combi. Looks like from a couple years ago.
Very cool.
Like that peace sign.
I like that one, actually.
Yeah, very hippie.
Alright, cool. So those are the two cars from Diecast Dad. Let's go ahead and open this. Most likely there's some cooler stuff in here. These actually came in like a day and a half, 2 days.
Fairly fast.
401 is insane with his shipping. He really is. Also note the Mary Kay box.
Oh wow. Immaculate wrapping skills, sir.
He's got the best.
Let's go with the smaller one first. This is 411 Diecast.
401 from Rhode Island.
401 Diecast. Oh, I can see some good ones right off the bat. Up first we have a 1970 Camaro with that really neato blue paint job. The sticker. There we go.
I've been finding and buying more and more muscle cars. I don't know what has happened to me, but suddenly I like them. I never used to like them. Oh, we need a sun check on this one. The sun is bright and high in the sky right now, so we can get a really nice sun check on this. Nice.
Wow.
Love blue cars.
Their blue and purple is just some of the best. Next up we have the La Troca.
Ah, I love that one. Yeah.
Whoa.
Is this sun check? Oh, we can get the sun check in the garage. It's a special occasion.
Wow.
Not really metallic per se, but it's definitely pops. That one's awesome. I think I might have to open that. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see.
Up next,
hey,
we
there
have
it is.
Ultra Hots.
I got this for $1.
Honda City.
This is a $3.50 car, guys. I got it for $1. Proof that whatnot is awesome.
This one definitely is a sun checkums.
Yeah, these are Spectra Flame. Ultra Hots are Spectra Flame.
Okay.
In case you didn't know.
I didn't know that.
Super pretty. Yeah, and all Spectra Flame is they polish body, they clear coat it, and then they lay paint over the clear coat.
Pretty cool, man.
Yeah.
And last in this baby pile, we have a 1967 Pontiac Firebird 400. It too has a kind of Zamak,
metallic, dark gray Zamak. Yeah.
Almost treasure hunt quality there.
Beautiful. All right, cool. Those are some cool cars. Move on to the bigger pile. I think there's about 8 in here. I didn't even realize I bought this many.
Double pack. All right, let's see 401 Diecast. Up first we have 2007 Ford Mustang in blood red. Wow.
That sun makes all the difference, doesn't it?
Dude.
In case you guys have never seen the sun, it's this bright thing in the sky. Actually, we should just call it the Hot Wheels Displayer 6000.
Thank you. Did it get you? That's a condition.
Am I the only one that sneezes when I look in the sun?
No,
you're right. It is.
Thing.
It is.
It's a science fact. They've looked it up.
I saw that.
Photo something.
Makes me sneeze. I don't know.
Next up, we have 1970 Challenger Roadrunner in amazing black and orange. That's a good one. Badass, dude.
Wow.
That's a top tier right there. What year is that? 09? Damn. That 2008. I always say that, man.
Yeah.
That 2008, 2009 is just... Dude, they had
So
some good ones. Yeah, I like that one, dude.
V8 engine and an air grabber hood. This back to basics muscle car was built for serious street work, winning most streetlight races of its time.
Hot Wheels, you're slacking on that now.
Sick.
You're slacking on that, Hot Wheels. That right there.
Yeah, for real.
For a kid
Yeah,
who is starting to learn about cars,
I agree.
this is an excellent starting point, you
This
guys.
is what we get now.
Take this for an example, Hot Wheels, that this is important to kids, man. They like to know the details about these things so they can go tell their dads and their dad's friends. You know about the V8 shaker hood on the Plymouth Roadrunner? You know, like...
I think it's good for everybody.
Well, yeah, but I mean, it's the little things that create this super fascination with the bigger things.
Yeah, true. True that. That's probably why I love cars so much. It probably started with Hot Wheels.
More than likely it did.
But why did I love Hot Wheels so much? It's like, what comes first, chicken or the egg? What came first, love for car or love for Hot Wheels?
You felt the rumbling roar of a muscle car go past you when you were a kid and it changed you.
For you, was it cars or was it Hot Wheels? And what do you like about both of them? Let us know in the comments
Yeah,
below.
that's kind of cool.
There we
All
go.
right.
That's a good one right there.
Next up out of the pack
I'm
is
seeing
this
some metallic blue
beautiful
right there.
Datsun.
Woo! Heck yeah.
Whoa.
Hell yeah, brother.
19... What, like 79?
70, something like that, yeah. Very cool.
That's another thing, Hot Wheels. Where's the what is it? What year?
Yeah.
What model?
Custom 71.
What is that?
Wait.
Just says custom. That's all it says.
Why did I say 71?
I think it's 71. You're probably right. It's like, I don't know, and that looks more late
A
70s.
case. Night Burners. Night Burners is probably one of my favorite series. Alright, we're on to the last four here from this one unboxing.
This one, already off the bat, I can tell you is going to be better than all the rest that we've opened already.
Alright, so I know the Porsche is red. That one is the only car that I
So here we
remember
go.
aside from the City. I remember buying the City.
2010 Ford Mustang GT
Woo!
with, oh man, that matches up nice with the,
The Bugatti.
dude, what the heck?
What's up, Lisa?
Hey. There we go.
Morning, Lisa. Yeah. the Bugatti.
It's the details, man. Cold start for the win.
I wonder where she's going. Did she say?
Or maybe to get a pump in.
No, she was dressed too nice.
All right, guys.
Alright, that was a little interruption by Lisa. in the
Tiny
car.
interruption, but
Cold
that's okay.
start on the
Let's
car.
get back to this nearly treasure quality.
I'm
So,
I'm
all
tempted
this lacks-
to open this and
All
put
this
it, where
lacks
did-
is some
where did-
tires. That's it.
Where did,
I put it right
there
here,
it
sir.
is. Bro, it's the same car.
It's
It's not the same yellow.
but this requires some rubber tires, 2-piece. That's badass, dude. And you don't even have to do anything to the paint.
Well, here, you take it then. It's yours.
Detail it.
It's yours.
Really?
Yeah, really. Take it. Take it.
Cool, man.
Here, take that too.
Yeah. This is on the L case, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we got that one. Yeah. All right. Let's get back to. We have another. Oh, that's a good one. All right. Next up, guys, we have a Porsche 918
Oh, it's
Spider.
silver. Why did I think it was red? You ever seen this one?
Nope.
Well, it's yours. Take
This
it. I
is-
definitely already have this one, so you can have it. I have it opened, and I might have it carded again, so take it. It's yours. Take it. It's yours.
Holy shit. That is fairly detailed car there, guys.
God, I wish I could do whatnot unboxings with TJ all the time. They're so much more exciting. Wow. Yeah, that's a good one. I actually have a video.
Yo, I don't have any of
I'm gonna
those.
look for it on my phone and put it in the.
That's the green one from the Matchbox.
Yes.
Dude,
I personally think in this case
The Hot
the
Wheels
Hot Wheels
better.
casting looks better.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the Matchbox ones just look strange, and usually it's the total opposite.
It's well, I have a nice little Porsche set, so I have to open it.
So
I'm not opening it.
I'm gonna put a video on the screen,
Yeah.
guys. It's me holding a rivet gun and a little it's a pedal to like crimp wires, and I pull the rivet gun and then I push the pedal on the. Let me just play it for you. And that was me pushing the pedal on the wire crimper, and when I let off, it goes.
And you're making the sound.
Yeah. All right.
Wow. All right.
Yeah. So that's yours too. Take it.
All right. Next up on the list. Coming from some of my favorite years. 2017, 2007. It's a 1964 Ford Galaxy. If we could just get the darn, and it's a little warm out here, you guys. Oh my
It's
God.
so hot out here. Wow.
Yeah,
Not
dude.
Spectra Flame, just blue.
No,
but it's
just
sure
blue.
it's woo. Wow.
That's
Which one
pretty
is this?
blue.
Galaxy?
It sure is.
Do you like
dude.
galaxies?
I like every one of them.
Like, do you like the actual galaxies? You're into science and stuff, right?
Yeah. Oh
All
yeah.
right, well, here, then take it.
All right, guys. We have one more car, which was been the best little set that we opened so far, at least from my perspective. All right, here we go. One more time, guys. We have up next. We have up.
I'm leaving that.
We have next the
That's
Musclemania,
really pretty.
which is a really cool Nova. What?
Sun check.
66.
66. Yep. Wow.
Not much on the sun.
I feel like we should open that.
Bless America.
Should we
that's
open
cool.
that?
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Well, Bless America. That is a pretty cool car.
Bless all the bald eagles. That's awesome.
Dude.
I don't have one of these open yet, so I love the way the wheels tuck
We got to get that down.
down even more.
No. Well.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
We do got to get that down. I totally agree, and it will come in time.
Dude.
It will
It's a
come
cool
in time.
casting, man. That's really good.
Yep. I'm glad to add that to the collection. Cool. All right, guys, that's it for this video. If you're interested in whatnot, link is in the description. Click that link, sign up. You'll get $15 free towards your first purchase, whether it's from me or any other seller.
Free money.
Free money. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Later.